Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know today I'm without makeup in the introduction, but today is going to be like a surprise. I have not done it before. Actually been wanting to try it from a really long time, but now that I am a YouTuber, I've sat down and decided that I'm going to do a Halloween makeup tutorial. I want to try a bunch of them, but this is almost like the more easier side of it, I guess. So this is the makeup I am going to do. This is the Halloween makeup I'm going to do. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to become a part of the Potato Fam. Here I do a lot of fun videos, tutorials, talk about skincare, how to talk about hair care, skincare, makeup and everything. So yeah, please do join the Potato Fam, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I have already prepped my face. I've put tons and tons and tons of aloe vera gel. If you're wondering what aloe vera gel I've used the Mama Earth aloe vera gel. I've put like 2-3 layers of that, and I've also primed my face so that if in case I'm using any makeup today, it does not go into my skin and get acne like this. I'm all close to my periods, I'm like 2-3 days away, so that's why all these pimples. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is start with the eyes. So the eyes of this lady is black with a little tint of orange and orange and red kind of. So I have also my laptop here, so I'll be looking at my laptop and doing it and not keep looking at my phone. So today I'm not going to start with my foundation. I'm going to first go with the eyes. I have my tape here, which is not a skin tape, but I can make it a skin tape by like touching it 2-3 times. So yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is do the lid fully black, and for which I'm using the kajal. Actually, I'll use the liner first. I have the liquid liner. I'm going to use that first, and then we will intensify the areas a little later on. So the whole of her eyes is black, and in the outer part she has like a blending orangish red color, which we will do. Just gonna tap that in. Now that this is tapped in, I am going to use a blending brush and like blend out the corners, like edges a little more before the liner gets dried. So now I'm going to use the Tammy Revolution palette and take the color black, and I am going to pop that here to intensify the black a little more. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to little like blend it out with a new brush. I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and I am going to blend it out. And also, if you're wondering why I haven't worn an eye primer or like a concealer, because it's black, so it really doesn't matter to me, at least, because my eyes are not that pigmented. Now I'm going to take the other side of the brush and not this side, and take the mix of orange and the red. I'm going to first take orange and put it in the outer crease. Now that this is like this, I am going to take red and then do the same thing. See, like so. I really liked how this turned out. Like really liked how this turned out. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye and I will be right back. So now that we are done with both the eyes, I am going to mattify this a little more like later on, but for now, coming to the lower lash line, we need to put a lot of kajal and smoke that out as well. So I am going to start by lining my waterline with black kajal from Lakme. In case I am not mentioning the products, It will be mentioned in the description box below. So I'll also be tightlining my upper waterline. In case you can't do that, you can always skip that step, but because if it's Halloween makeup, I think it is kind of important to do it, if you know. So now that this is over, we are going to smoke down the eyes with a little bit of black. I'm going to just take this off, and yeah, looks fine. I'm going to use the black from the same palette and smoke it out. So now I'm just gonna bring that red all the way inside. So now what has happened is I'm gonna smoke this, and I'll tell you that really soon. I do look a little bit scary. I'm just gonna quickly cover these blemishes up with a little bit of foundation, and I'll be right back. So now that I've covered up everything, I'll do the this thing later, the fixing of that later. Now all I have to do is like draw a inteda line like this. So that's what I am going to do right now. It's not even that dimensional. Oh god. So that's what I have done. Now all we need to do is blend this a little bit, like I am happy with this. Going to this place, I'm gonna take red now and slightly smoke it out with the black. Take a fluffy brush and blend, blend, blend. So now this is nicely blended. I'm going to do my eyebrows the usual way. I'm just going to like outline the ends of my eyebrows. Also, I went and checked in Naturals, and they are like, there is threading, but I'm still scared to like go to like a parlor and get my eyebrows threaded. So I don't really know what to do. Like, it is almost time to like wax or thread or pluck my eyebrows, whatever you want to call it, but I'm really scared to go out. So yeah, now that the eyebrows are done, I am going to apply lipstick. So I have two shades here. One is red and one is like a pink, dark pink. I'm gonna first put the red one, and then we'll see about the pink. I'm gonna lightly outline, like overline my lips. It looks too fluorescent on camera, but we'll fix that with this, so no worries. I'm gonna outline my lips very lightly with this black, and just gonna blend it in. I like this. I really do like this. Anyway, now coming to the eyebrows. Eyebrows, as in like your eye, this thing. So you need like a long ass triangle here and here. I'm gonna just color it ऐसे ही. At least mine is not perfect. I have a small forehead also. Now I'm going to use a little bit of liner like I did for my eyes, and I'm going to fill that a little bit in. Now all I'm going to do is shape it properly. I think this is going to take a lot of time to wash out, but I'm loving this look. Literally loving this look. Now the only difficulty is like I think I'm going to take a less fluffier brush. If I have, yeah, I'm going to take this brush, take the red and orange and red mixed and go around it. I am definitely loving this look. I really do love it. Now all we're gonna do is shape this thing up real fast. Oh my god, I'm loving this. I think I'm gonna put a little extra black on like my lips. A little extra, little bit. I love it. Okay, anyway, now I just have to put on lashes and I will be back. So now that we are done with my lashes, I forgot to do the nose and the inner corner highlight, so that's what I was starting to do, and then noticed that I wasn't filming. So I'm going to do this as the same way I did my lips also. So the red lipstick, the mulberry face, and now just gonna set that. And after that kind of dries, we are gonna go back with the kajal. I think I need to go today out and buy kajal for myself. Yeah, I really like this. And now with the inner corner highlight, I don't know if that is really like wanted, but why not? Like, let's see. I have this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow here, and it does make a difference. And yeah, we are completed with this Halloween makeup look. And in case I'm probably have to change my dress, should I do the outro after changing my dress? I think I should, so I'll be back in a second. And back. I have changed my clothes, I have done my hair, nothing much, but yeah, this is the final look of my Halloween makeup look. And if you want to see more like this, please do let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to make and create stuff like this. I really loved how this turned out. I'm going to go right now and click a couple of pictures, and yeah, you'll see them on the gram. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, it'll be here. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye bye. Also don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment to this video, channel and everything. And yeah, love you all. Happy Halloween. If you want me to do anything Navratri this time, please do let me know that about that too. And yeah, see you next time in a new video. Bye bye.